Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2022 Ford Escape. It's a company vehicle, new client. Got a broken side mirror, passenger side. That's the new one. Brand new. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get this off and replaced. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so we got to take off the door panel. Now, there's some screws up under here. There's one here. I took them out already. And one on the other side. Those are 7 mils. Got those out. And now, next, I'm going to get back here with a flat head. Pop that out. Alright, we got that out. Get that bolt out. Alright, we got that out. That turned it to a 8 mil. Let's see what else we got. Alright, you gotta be gentle. You don't want to break this panel. That pops out. You use your flat head. Pop those out one side at a time. Move it back. Now we can get these bolts out. Okay, so those bolts are out and those turned into a 7 mil. Went back down. I don't know why they got different bolt sizes. I mean, they could have stuck with one size. Let's see what we got next. Should be able to pull this thing off. So you can get you a flat head or something, get up under there and pry it away, and then get those clips out of there. Just pull on it, it won't break. Man, they make this so sophisticated. They got a bolt behind the light. And again, that turned into an 8mm bolt. Alright, that did the trick. Just pop it on out. Let it hang. And now we can get to this bad boy right here. Got a little clip, I'm going to pull that out. Alright, we got that clip out. Alright, we got the clip out. That whole thing attaches there. You can just move this out the way. 1, 2, 3. These 3 bolts. And this is the connector. Go ahead and disconnect that. Alright, we got 3 10 mils. Get those out. And that mirror gonna fall out. That's it. And we just going back in, man. Reverse order. And we in there. Tighten down. Now we're gonna put everything back together. Alright, we back in there. Make sure you put that reflector back in there. That's it. That's all they needed. Alright, man. Hope this video helped out. Until next time. Pull-Up King.